Andre Dazana T.
Morning, wonderful guests. My name is Amber, and today I'll tell you what I do best. These lovely creatures visits me daily. Animal doctor, that's how others call me. When a dog won't bark, when a dog won't bark, and a cow a bird goes bald, and a turtle grows fur. When a fish is all red from a belly flap, and a horse goes hiccups, only I can make it stop. Animals get sick, just like you and me. But I can make them well again, as frisky as can be. Well, my clinic is the right place to go, so I can check on your pet from head to toe. Whatever size they might be, big or small, I am the best doctor to call. Now you know who I am, that I bet. Yes, that's correct. I am a vet. And I can
Once again, our featured animal doctor